This video, we're going to be talking about how to fix Nintendo Switch screen not working. So let's get straight into the video. The first thing you want to do is check the basics. Make sure that your switch is turned on. Press and hold the power button for 3 seconds and check the brightness. Hold the volume up and volume down at the same time. Sometimes the screen is just dim or in sleep mode. If that is not the case, your battery might be completely drained. Simply connect the AC adapter and let it charge for at least 15-30 minutes and try turning it on again. If that doesn't work, simply go ahead and try force restarting your switch by pressing and holding the power button for 15 seconds and release it and wait a few seconds. If that is not working, then check TV or dock connection. Make sure the HDMI cable is securely connected, and then try a different HDMI port or cable. Make sure that your TV is on and the correct input source is selected. If not, simply check for physical damage. Inspect the screen for cracks or damage. If it is damaged physically, then you may require professional repair. If that is not the case, simply remove any screen protector or case and detach all accessories. If none of it works, try updating or restoring, or just contact support.nintendo.com.